There's a lot of them coming in. You can see here they're holding the Chinese poster, Chinese letter. That is actually representing each of our last names. There's 12 clans: Sai Chin, Sai Yan, Sai Chao, Sai Han, Sai Lo, Sai Li, Sai Feng, Sai Wang, Sai Chu, Sai Liu, and that's Say Xiao, and Say Turn. They're all coming up on stage. Tại sinh nhân muốn tòi hồ xin chăng đi với trẻ con vướng can thiệp quá đi với đợt dân đi tệ đối với chung con quả thì sản năng buôn quản nhiệm nay na nó xanh phố đôi quay cao lì xanh cháo. Now Tyler Wilson, Mr. Quentoy, Mr. Frank. Clothing, you can say, you know what? I know who these people are now because I attended that Union Festival and they represent the Mien clan, the Union clan. You can see all the men are dressed up, very simple traditional clothing, and you can see our young boy here in a turban with the silver decorating his headpiece. We're gonna have you guys come on up. Can I have the ladies circle around so we can see you guys? Go ahead, do a parade out so we can come on, men, go ahead. All right, I'm gonna have them walk the stage so you guys can see our beautiful traditional clothing. This is our, everybody go. Everybody else. Ang Ming, Queen, Gilitagan, Fan, Soul, Joy, come on. You're zooming, man, you're zooming. Okay, so I just wanna showcase, keep on going, so you guys can see who are the Mien people. This is our traditional instruments.